Compton, man. Straight out of Kansas. Do something a little more you.
Alright, stop, collaborate and listen. Ice is back with my brand new
invention.
Something grabs a hold of me
Tightly.
Go like a harpoon daily and
Nightly. Will it ever stop?
Yo, I don't know. Turn off the lights and I'll glow. To the extreme, I rock a mic like a vandal. Light up the stage and max the drums like a candle.
Ice, ice, baby, too cold, vanilla ice, ice, baby, too cold, vanilla ice. Let's go! She take my money.
I'm not saying she's a gold digger. She's not messing with the broke.
She take my money.
I'm not saying she's a gold digger.
When I'm in
She ain't
need.
messing with the broke.
I gotta leave.
Get down, girl. Go ahead. Get down.
I gotta
Get
leave.
down, girl. Go ahead. Get down.
I gotta leave.
Get down, girl. Go ahead. Get down.
I gotta
Get
leave.
down. Get off my back.
I came to get down. I came to get down. So get off your seat and jump around. Jump around. Jump, 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 jump around. Jump, jump, jump. I say jump around. Jump, jump, jump up, jump up, and jump down. Y'all having a good time? Yeah, jump, 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 jump. Crazy. Don't stop the party. Yeah, can't nobody love me. Don't stop the party. Break time. Thank you very much, folks. Y'all having a good time? That's what I like to hear. It looks like an NBC page has called a new color. James, can I get some thank you note writing music, please?
This is a sly little dog.
Flirty.
Got a little twinkle in his eye.
Flirty dude. Thank you, Day of the Week pill containers, for being advent calendars for old people. It's almost Sunday! Thank you, windshield wipers, for showing me what it looked like if my car said, hey ho. Thank you, horse yoga. Or as the horses call it, what the freaking hell, man? What happened?
From Studio 6B in Rockefeller Center in the heart of New York City, it's The Tonight Show, starring Jimmy Fallon. Tonight join Jimmy and his guests, you, and featuring the legendary Roots Crew.
Universal Studios!
And now, here he is, Jimmy Fallon!
Hey everybody, welcome to The Tonight Show. You're here, you made it. This is the place to be. I'm your host, Jimmy Fallon, and this is the race through New York. This is very exciting, guys. In a few minutes, we're gonna go head-to-head in a high-speed, action-packed race through New York City. You're gonna see it all. You're gonna see Times Square, the Statue of Liberty, the Empire State Building. But before we start, I have to tell you about some very important safety precautions. But I don't want to talk about them. That's boring. I want to rap about them. Do you know what I'm saying, Jerry?
Yeah, Jimmy, I think you're saying you want me to rap the race through New York safety precautions.
That's right, Roots. Give me a beat.
If you're pregnant or your blood pressure's abnormal, I'm sorry, this simply isn't a suitable ride for you. Other people were unable to allow admission of those with various back, neck, or heart conditions. You better start to listen. It's risky business if you're prone to dizziness or any type of motion sickness. No videos, photos, recordings, no social is allowed. I hope I'm speaking loud and clear enough. You getting this? You definitely should sit this one out. I have to say to you, if you have recent surgery or a condition that's aggravatable by this racist action-adventure. It's unsafe if you enter. Profanity is the simplest way to avoid being injured. If you're lucky enough to be alive to take this ride, your arms, legs, heads, and hands must remain inside. Not to mention your feet. And keep your news article safely stored beneath the seat. Information complete.
Oh! That is how you do it, Tariq and the Roots, everybody! That is how you do it right there.
Ew! Stop talking about softer and let's start the ride!
I'm sorry. Who are you?
I'm Sarah, and in case you're wondering, it's S-A-R-A with no H, because H's are air. This is my lame stepdad, Gara.
And if you're wondering, that's G-A-R.
Ew, Gara, no one's wondering how to start a dog.
Guys, you're not supposed to be here yet. The rest of the audience is still outside waiting to come in.
Yeah, fine. Let's get out of here. Garrett, take me to the gift shop.
All right, Sarah, but you're only getting one souvenir.
Ew, I want a t-shirt, I want a mug, I want a house like the Panda doll, I want a basketball of Popeyes.
All right, let's just go. Catch on the flippity flop.
I love Popeyes.
I know you do.
All right, guys, this is it. We're about to start. I'm gonna go backstage and hop in the Tonight Rider. We're gonna take a quick break while you head into the studio. I'm gonna see you in a bit. Fun!
Almost there.
And here he is, once again, Jimmy Fallon!
Hey, it is time for the race through New York. You know the course, you know the rules. First one back wins the Tonight Show Cup. Higgins, can you count us down, please?
Ready, set, let's go!
Tight pants. Try to know the last. Okay, show me your moves. That hole was already there. New York City. The lights, the sounds, the traffic. What? Are you talking to me? Is he talking to me? Here we go. Times Square. I think I know my way around Times Square. No problem. Oh, come on. Hey, don't worry. You're winning.
The audience takes the early lead.
First place feels so good. It's that time. Pardon me, how's your airline? Hey, it's the ragtime gal. Oh, it's on now.
Jimmy's in the lead. Oh, you almost ran over my Popeyes.
Guys, what took you so long?
Cool car.
Are you guys superheroes?
No, but we do fly. Tonight Rider, engage flight mode.
Catch on the flippity flop.
Can't beat New York City pizza. Here, try slice. It's a pizza pie. What else is good in 3D? Oh yeah, t-shirt cannons. One for you, and one for you, and one for you. Hey, these t-shirts look cool. We should sell these. Quick, hold your breath. Stay in school, kids. You get it? School of... Sure! Start spreading the news. I'm winning the race. Fireworks.
It's a tight race as we head toward the World Princess Empire State Building.
Hey, there's hashtag the panda. Hashtag why are you on top of the Empire State Building? And why are you 300 feet tall? No, hashtag let them go. No, that panda. Hold on. Folks, we're on the moon. Oh, hey, it's the Roots, the first band on the moon. We gig. James, can I get some thank you note writing music, please? Thank you, the moon, for turning regular old dirt into moon dust.
Space train.
Space train.
I've heard about this. Once completed, it will be the first ever roller coaster from the moon to the Earth.
Wait, once completed. Oh, I know. Tonight Rider, activate hyper tube. Hey, it worked. Get that. As our racers are to the finish line.
Oh, so close. Hey, not too close. I'm okay. I'm good. I'm good.
Congratulations, guys. You did it.
You know I let you win. Well, that was so much fun. Come back and race me anytime.